I have examined many of the study materials that Japanese speakers use to study the English language, and I was surprised because I saw many errors, I saw many mistakes in these study materials. And I think that's one of the big reasons why Japanese speakers find it difficult to learn the English language. One big reason is the study materials that they are using. So today I'm going to point out one of the common mistakes that I see in these study materials. Okay. And that is how to express a goal correctly. So I noticed that when I ask the question, what is your goal in this lesson? And I usually get a wrong answer or an answer which is not related to the question. All right, so I'll show you an example of a question that I usually ask. Okay, so this is a sample question. What is your goal in lesson 1? That's obviously the sample question, and the usual answer that I get from students is answer number 1. I can express my ideas. That is the answer that I get. Well, first of all, this number 1, answer number 1, is not a goal, and answer number 1 is grammatically correct, but number 1 doesn't answer this question because number 1 is not a goal. So number 1 is a way to express an ability or a capability. It does not express a goal. So you have to find another way to answer this question because number 1 does not answer the question. So if you're a Japanese speaker and you're studying English, then stop using this kind of answer for this kind of question because this answer, number 1, doesn't answer this question. Okay, let's repeat the question. What is your goal in lesson 1? So you should say something like these answers. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's start with number 1. My goal is to express my ideas. So this, number 2, answers this question. So what is your goal in lesson 1? My goal is to express my ideas. Or you can also say, my goal in lesson 1 is to express my ideas. Now that is a goal. Before, my goal in lesson 1 is to be able to express my ideas. That is also correct. That is also a goal. Or you can write this a goal to express my ideas. So what is your goal in lesson 1? To express my ideas. That is also okay. So now sentences 2, 3, 4, and 5 answers this question, but sentence 1 does not answer this question. Okay. Right, now let's make things clearer by examining very simple sentences. Give me a minute. Let's look at this one. These 3 sentences. The first sentence is very simple. I can run. So this sentence is not a goal. It's an expression of an ability or a capability. It's just like saying Can you run? No, I cannot run. Or, oh yes, I can run. Or, can you swim? Oh yes, I can swim. So if someone asked you, can you run? Then this one, the first sentence answers the question. Can you run? Yes, I can run. However, this sentence is another sentence. My goal is to run. So, what is your goal this day? So you say, my goal is to run this day, or my goal this day is to run. So this is a goal. My goal is to be able to run. This is also a goal. So this one is not a goal, but these two are goals. All right. It's the same for the sentences. So sentences 2, 3, 4, and 5 answers the first question, but this one doesn't answer the question. However, if someone asked you the question, can you express your ideas? Then you can say, yes, I can express my ideas. It answers that question, but it does not answer this question. Okay. This one is grammatically correct, but it does not answer this question. All right. So if you have questions, if there are things that you did not understand, then please let me know, and I'll answer your questions, and I'll clarify things that need to be clarified.